When you're scaling fractions, you're predicting the answer. You're not solving it. So, when you think about it, when you multiply a fraction smaller than 1 by a whole number, what is happening there? Okay, without thinking, without solving it, your product is going to be smaller than your whole number. Okay, your number will shrink. When you actually work it out, if you take 5 times 1/2, you're cutting 5 in half. Okay, so your answer, if you actually do work it out, you get 2.5. But your product is going to be smaller. So a fraction smaller than 1, your product will be smaller. When you have a fraction greater than 1, so 5 times 3/2, your product will be greater. Think about when you're multiplying any numbers, okay? Your number is going to be bigger when you multiply it by a bigger number. So 5 times 3/2, when you work it out, comes out to 7.5, and that is bigger than 5. Now, when your fraction is equal to 1, that's just like when you're multiplying anything by 1. So 2/2, when my numerator and denominator are the same, that equals 1. When I multiply a number by a fraction that's equal to 1, my product will equal the whole number. So when I get 5 times 2/2, it comes out to 5 because I'm multiplying it by 1 essentially. Okay, so fraction smaller than 1, your product's going to be smaller. A fraction greater than 1, your product's going to be greater. And a fraction equal to 1, your product's going to be equal to your whole number.